Salihin, he said that once you said on Twitter that it is permissible to swear by the Quran. Now we know that it is totally prohibited to swear by anything other than Allah and His attributes. So Allah's names, Wallah, Wal-Rahman, Wal-Jabbar, Wal-Aziz, all of this is okay. And Allah's attributes, وَكَلَامُ Wal-Quran, وَحَيَاتُ the life of Allah Azza wa Jal. All of these are permissible to swear by. Why? Because these are describing Allah Azza wa Jal. These are the attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal. And when you swear by them, you swear by Allah the Almighty. So the Quran, what is it? It is the speech of Allah. It is not created. It is one of Allah's attributes. And this is why we find that the vast majority of scholars say that swearing by the Quran, by saying, Wal Quran, is permissible. You know that the letters of swearing in Arabic is wa, ba, and ta. You say Wallahi wa, or Billahi ba, or Tallahi. These are the three letters of swearing. And if a person swears by the Quran or by the life of Allah Azza wa Jal, وحياة Rabbi, as so many people from Lebanon or Syria or etc. say, there's no problem. Swearing by the Kaabah is totally prohibited because this is a creation of Allah. Swearing by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is totally prohibited because this is a creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. So you can only swear by Allah and by His beautiful names and attributes, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.